Hello everyone! Today I want to introduce a very practical wireless remote control for welding roller racks. This remote control not only helps you easily move the welding roller holder, but also greatly improves work efficiency, allowing you to easily complete various welding tasks. Firstly, let's take a look at the advantages of this remote control. It adopts the latest wireless technology and can remotely control the movement of the welding roller holder through a remote control, eliminating the need for direct contact with the roller holder during the welding process, effectively avoiding the risk of burns and scratches. At the same time, it also has the characteristics of accurate positioning and simple operation, making your welding work easier and more convenient.